Now we discuss the third method, the long division method. There is a particular type of division which will give the square root. This division will be sometimes a lengthy process depending upon the magnitude of the given number. So it's known as a long division. And also remember, this long division is applicable for the decimal square numbers also. Applicable for both. To find the square root of that decimal number, we apply this long division. Now, here we discuss the method for a whole number. The division method can be explained using a particular example. That will be better. So, we first consider a square number and explain how to find its square root by this method. So, first consider the number 625. 625. You know, this is the square of 25. The square root will be 25. Then, first what we do is, we divide the given number into groups of 2 digits from the right, from the units place. So here, unit place 5, then next 2, so pair of 2 digits, so 25, 2, 5, one group. Then here only 6, so we may assume there is 0 also, 0, 6, we can consider this as a pair, 0, 6, but we did not write this here, 0 here, so 6 here, 2, 5. And then draw 2 lines here for the division process. Now consider the first group, starting from the left first group, which is 6, 0, 6 or 6. Find the highest power of 2, highest square number less than or equal to 6. The highest square number less than or equal to 6 is 4, which is square of 2. So write that 2 here and 2. And the square number 2 into 2, that square number written here. Now find the difference. Subtract this 4 from the 6. This number from this. 4 from 6, we get to 2. Then place the second pair 2, 5 to here. Getting 225. Pair, the whole pair should be written below 225. Then double this number. Here it is 2, its a double is 4. Place that 4 here. Then write the digit here in front of this 4, so that when the resultant number is multiplied with that digit, gives us the maximum number less than or equal to this 225. 225. So consider this. Suppose we write 4 there, 4. Place 4 here, that is 44. Multiply this 44 with the same 4. 4 into 4, 16. Balance 1, 4 into 4, 16 plus 1, 176. Is this 176 the maximum and less than or equal to 225? Check this. So suppose we put, say, 5 in front of this. 5, 45. Then multiply this 45 with the same 5. 5 into 5, 25. Balance 2. 5 into 4, 2. Then 25 into 4, 20. 20 plus 2, 225. So this is less than or equal to this. So the maximum is obtained when we substitute 5 here and put that 5 here also. So multiply 45 with the 5, we get 225 balance 0. So if we obtain this balance 0, stop there. And the number written here gives the square root, 25 is the square. If it is a perfect square, the given number is a perfect square, we will definitely arrive such a 0. Such a 0. So this is the process. So we may explain one more example. So consider another one. Say the number, say 15129, the number. Pair it from the right, 2951, then 1. As before, the highest square less than or equal to 1, which is 1. So 1, it's a square, 1 into 1, 1. So subtracting 0. Then put the next pair here, 51. Write the double of this here, 2. As before, write a digit in front of this 2. When that resultant is multiplied with the same number, gives the maximum less than or equal to this 51. So suppose we write 2. So we get 22. Multiply this 22 with the 2, 4, 44. Check whether this is maximum or not. Suppose we put 3, then 23 into 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 6 becomes 69 greater than 51. So we cannot write 3. The maximum is obtained when write 2. So write 2 here. The same 2 here also. Multiply this 22 with that 2. We get 44. Subtract. Proceed. Subtract. So subtracting 11 minus 4, which is equal to 7. Then 4 minus 4, which is 0. Then 29. Next pair put here. Write the double of this quotient, 24 here. As in the previous case, write a digit here. Multiply the resultant number with that digit itself. We should get the maximum less than or equal to 729. Suppose we put 3 here, this 3 here, so 3 here also. If it is okay, multiply this with the 3. 3 into 3, 9. 3 into 4, 12, balance 1. 3 into 6, plus 1, 7, 29. Remainder 0 obtained, completes the division, so the square root is 123. So this square root of this 15129 is equal to 123. So this is the method. So more example can be discussed when we come to the exercise. Okay.